I'm also gassing the place, so if you C-dash into the entrance, you'll get gassed. Yeah, he's in the, he's fighting the Hollow Knight right now. I'm fucking dead. I've gotta come clean about my incredible noob mistake, so I rebound all of my key bindings before doing, like, a lot of, Hollow God stuff, and totally forgot what button I bound Crystal Dash to. So, I think that I might have had an impact at the very end of the game because I just barely made it there and I didn't C-dash through Egg Temple. I was like not gonna pause and look at my key bindings. But no, yep. I totally forgot what button was and I'm just clicking random buttons while dashing and like, oh god. Dash! It's like, if I get there, I get there. I think it would have. Because I saw you as you were channeling. Yep. Yep. Like about as much time as C Dash would have done through Egg Temple. Yeah. No.